Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back again to Majid Fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today gonna be the second episode of the best fragrances from Ajmal. This is a Middle East brand that produce good quality fragrances with less price. In the first time or in the previous episode number 1, I will let it for you in the description. We do the first episode of this series, and I promise you that I will, in every time I will upload a new video or a new episode about this brand. So if you are interested more of clones and perfect dupes from Middle East fragrances with less price, you can watch the playlist that exists in my videos in my channel regarding fragrances from Rasasi, Afnan, Ard al-Zafaran, Latafa, Alhambra, and a lot of brands. All of them are very concurrent to the best niche and designer fragrances in the market with less price. Ajmal, Perfumes and Colognes. This brand belongs to United Arab Emirates, and Ajmal is one of the leader company that produce fragrances in Middle East. Now they are concurrent for a lot of brands because their fragrances are high quality with less price. They have also a lot of collections like Ajmal A series, the W series, M series. There is also Amir, Eternal, a lot of collections. We're gonna start with the Evoque Midnight Edition. This fragrance was released from the house of Ajmal in 2022. This scent is designed for the cool seasons like fall, winter. You can wear it also in spring. This is a night scent more than day scent. In the previous episode I talked about Evoque Gold Edition, that it's very similar to Prada Eau de Toilette that was released in 2016, and today this one Evoque Midnight Edition is similar to Prada Amber. The scent is warm, spicy, sweet also in the opening, and when it's dry totally, it's dry on citrusy and woody, powdery also notes. It's open with mandarin, with raspberry, pink pepper. There is some spices like saffron, cardamom. The violet in the middle notes, he is responsible for the powdery scent here. There is also tonka beans with musk and patchouli in the base note. Aristocrat by Ajmal. This fragrance belongs to the line of woody floral musk, and it was released in 2017. This scent is for all seasons and also for all occasions. It's open with a beautiful opening contain watermelon with lime and bergamot. The middle note contain musk, lily, jasmine also. The base contain agarwood, musk, patchouli and amber. This scent is high quality, long-lasting, moderate regarding the sillage. In general, it's white flower, woody opening, and when it's dry totally become more powdery and ambery. Chivalry by Ajmal. This scent belongs to the line of aromatic spicy fragrances designed for men, and it have been released in 2018. It's a day scent, more beautiful in the summer and spring. It's open with grapefruit, with pink pepper, gardenia and bergamot. The middle note contain geranium with rose and jasmine, so this beautiful rosy middle note do a link between the opening and dry down when it's dry totally on woody scent that contain vetiver, cedar, wagmos and patchouli. This scent is a long lasting, also it's moderate regarding the sillage. In general, if you love woods with earthy notes, this one is for you, and it's dry totally in citrusy and fresh spicy scent. Kashaf. This fragrance designed for those who love fruity scent. It belongs to the floral woody musk fragrances, and it have been released in 2017. This scent is for all seasons, and I don't recommend it a lot on summer. If you want to wear it on summer, you can wear it in the night. So it's a fruity scent regarding to the raspberry and the blackcurrant. It's open with rose, with saffron also in the middle note. The base contains agarwood, musk with sandalwood. Here you will get long lasting with a strong sillage. In general, this scent is fruity and woody in the opening. After that, it's graduated from a warm, spicy and powdery scent to a rose and sweet fragrance. mushrika by Ajmal. This one is an ambery fragrance designed for both women and men, and it has been released in 2019. This scent also is a night scent for cool seasons like fall and winter. It's open with rose, with jasmine, bergamot, lily of the valley. There is also some fruits like blackcurrant, raspberry, saffron, sandalwood in the middle note, and in the base we have some woods mixed with patchouli and musk with amber. The scent is long-lasting, strong also regarding the sillage. So if you love fruits mixed with wood and wood scent, definitely this one is for you. Senora, one of the beautiful fragrances that designed for women in this house. It belongs to the line of ambery floral fragrances. This scent was released in 2016 and it can be used in all seasons. It's open with the violet leaves mixed with pepper, labdanum. There is also orange blossom with patchouli, rose, and the base contains amber, benzoin, vanilla with musk. Here you will get moderate to long-lasting longevity with the strong to enormous sillage. This scent for those who love amber, for women especially, amber with rose, warm spices, and when it's dry, it's become more aquatic with woody notes. In the end, I would like to thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. This was the second one for the best fragrances from Ajmal house. If you want to know more about Middle East brands or for perfect dupes and clones with less price, just search in playlists that exist in my videos. Thank you and see you in the next time.